Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the Milwaukee 4966-6731. This is a 1-inch down to 3/4 adapter. So this new impact wrench that we have is a 1-inch drive, which is huge. And most sockets, I have some that are 3/4 inch, but the majority of mine are going to be at biggest a 1/2 inch drive. So we're going to have to use reducers like this just to be able to run this. Sunex also makes one here, and it seems like a really high quality one. Said it was made in Taiwan, but when it came, it was in China. I think that's where a lot of these are made. So anyway, just want to show you a little bit of that today. So I did see here on the back of the Milwaukee packaging that it definitely does list it as made in China for Milwaukee. So the tool we're looking at is the Milwaukee 2867-20 1-inch drive. So it is very large and with the battery quite heavy, but should be able to break loose anything that we would need. So the biggest concern is that with a 1-inch drive, you'll need reducers like this just to get it down to 3/4, which you can then use your bigger sockets on, and then even reduce from that down to 1/2 inch drive for most of your sockets. And this could probably break it with, I believe it was 1,800 foot-pounds of torque is what the rating was for this impact. So I was a bit shocked to see that these are about $40. They're pretty expensive for a reducer, but what are you going to do if you have a 1-inch drive and no way to really run it? So I did verify this is 49-66-6731. You're not going to find these in normal hardware stores. You're pretty much going to find them online. All right, look at this bad boy. 1-inch to 3/4 drive reducer. 49-66-6731. This is it. This is the big one. I got a pretty good price on this one. They're usually about $40. This appears to be the outgoing one. If you look at the text, it's not engraven in. And so Milwaukee's been doing a little bit better with that on their engravings for the actual font size. So this one is just kind of written on there. Other than that, it's the same part number and probably the same tool. There we go. I like how it has that ring. That makes it pretty easy. And this one does too. This is a Sunex brand. By comparison. A little bit heftier, I'd almost say. But this is the Milwaukee brand that built specifically for this. You'll notice this doesn't have a detent ball on it. So when it passes through though, you can almost thread something through there like a zip tie or something. So this bad boy is a 1-inch drive. The only problem with that, how many 1-inch sockets do you have? This will go from 1-inch down to 3/4. So this will go on here. To push it on and at least get it down to 3/4 where I can use another adapter, unless I'm using like some of these larger sockets, like the 36mm, for the half shafts. So this one is a 3/4 inch drive, so it'll go right onto that. So yeah, there we go. That's what we need just to even run some of these sockets. I'll need yet another reducer, but Sunex, made in Taiwan. So we'll see. Now, I thought I had seen Taiwan somewhere, and it was the picture for when it was for sale. And it does say the CRMO, which I think is the chrome molybdenum. I hope that's the same material that they're using. I assume it is, same part number, but it definitely on the package said made in China. So somewhere along the line it had changed, it appears. That's what I'm talking about. So obviously we'll be using a 1/2-inch drive rather than all these reducers, but it is good to have the ability to run it. So thanks for watching. Check the video description. I'll put a playlist where I have other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.